All right, guys. This here's some of the things we bought for this big storm coming. I got the prime over here for Jackson, and let's start here. Got a Gatorade, our waters. We always have waters and Gatorade. Got 5 more cases of Gatorade back there. Got some potatoes. Got the prime, special prime for Jackson. Hey, Logan Paul, we need a sponsorship, bro. Let's go. Got Jackson his brown and serve sausage patties. He got his blueberry pancakes. Got some pierogies, frosted flakes. Got the relish and American Whip because you got to have the American Whip. No mayo, American Whip. Because of here we got the tuna. 2 things of tuna, the milk. Got the mini bagels. Jack's coming for the weekend. You got to have the mini bagels. Got to have the yogurt. And then the snacks. Here's your bread and your buns and your muffins. All the things you need for being locked in. So we don't got to worry too much, guys, because our stove runs on propane, stove and oven. So even if the power goes out, as you'll see here in a little bit, we got a small solar generator and got a big generator, 2800 watt generator, propane generator I use. And our stove runs on propane. So even with the power out, we can cook. All right, guys, so here's some of the prep that we've already had. Like you guys have been watching the channel already know. This is some of the things we got. We're going to show you that, this is our off-grid prep that we're going to use for this snow prep. So, for starters, Jackson, hand me that box. Slide it over here. What's in this box, Jackson?
A generator.
What kind of generator? This is our solar generator.
Yeah.
Of course, there's the cord, and we have it all packed up because it's easier to store that way. Oh, big muscles, big muscles.
Oh.
There you go. This is our Opus 600 solar generator. Getting ready to leave it out, and we're getting ready to charge it up here tonight. So we have it. Has the DC ports, just like every other one. The 2 AC ports. I forget what it's on now. I gotta hold it in. It's at 67%, but we're still gonna charge it up. We're still gonna charge it up. Yes, Jackson is at 67. We'll still charge it up, get it up to 100%. So we'll sit this over here, Jackson.
67% lasts you a long time on that thing?
Well, yeah, it depends on what you plug into it, buddy. Got the yellow one.
This one?
Yellow one.
Oh, this thing.
And this here is our jump starter. So it's also has an inverter in it with 3 USBs. Christian's actually going to take this to work in case she needs it for the car. Has the jumper cables. It has an air pump. But she can also use it for plug-in AC or anything USB. Oh, it has the light on too, for my flashlight.
What is that?
What's that? That's where you plug in stuff. That's the AC out. That's how you turn it on.
Did I turn it?
No.
Hold on.
Where? Does that make you feel better?
Yeah, what's the noise?
It's starting up. That's the fans in there. And then, you can switch them on and off and whatnot.
Shut it off.
That's just it. That turns the AC on. If you hold it long enough, it shuts off. There. Fan shut off. Trisha's going to take that to work. But we'll have it here when she's not at work. That's in case she needs it for the car or plug in cell phones or whatever in case she gets stuck. Because good chance she might get stuck at work, huh, Trish?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Give me that one there, Jack.
Both?
No, just one. Just one at a time. This is our light. It has... I'll start back here. It's a power button. Then it has output, USB output, and this is where you charge it at. You can go on like a
tripod.
Tripod. I'm a stand. I almost called it. Like I haven't done this a million times. And then it has a hook back here where you can hang it up. It's also solar. Again, this is some of the stuff we got for our prep. But you pull the handle back and then it sits at whatever angle you want it to. I'll shine the light, but we won't shine it in no one's face.
Whoa.
That's level 3.
That's level 3.
Yep. And then there's a lower level. It's a softer light. Then there's another brighter light. And then a lighter. And then emergency light, which you don't really... I don't think it's illegal to do that, but I don't know. I was always told red and blues was illegal.
The police.
Yep, that's what the police.
I mean, and then...
That's already charged up. And then we have this one here. You want to do the coffee cup?
Yeah.
All right. And Trish, we have 2 of these. Trish is taking one to work with her just in case she needs to break open her pods and get the coffee pods, because inside the coffee pods is the same thing as the grounds that's in your regular coffee pot. We use Keurig K pods. So we bought this for when we move, but it'll come in handy now. Oh, almost lost that part. Oh, I forgot that part's in there. Come on, 2 bags I can stick together. Whoa. So here's a cup with a lid, keeps it warm. Has a screw off top. This is the part Trish made fun of me because I couldn't figure out. And then flaps just flip out, right?
Mm-hmm. Bottom.
Bottom, right? Bottom flaps just flip out. And then it has the metal filter on the bottom. So all you do is rinse it out, stick it over your cup, put your grounds in, pour your hot water in. When it gets too high, you just lift it up and let it keep draining. And then, like I said, have your own spoon with it.
Wait, oh, that's cool.
You stir it, all that happy-go-lucky horse business. But that way you'll always have coffee or tea, whatever you want. I mean, you don't really need a filter with tea bags.
Wait, can you?
But this will stay hot for 16 hours and stays cold for, I think, 10.
Can you use that for Kool-Aid?
Yep, hot, cold too, yep.
Got
Yeah,
this.
because it's hot and cold. Okay, what do we pay, like 20 bucks for them?
Yeah.
Well, I better put the spoon back in there. Amazon, if you guys are interested in any of this, I can get links and put it in the description or in the comments after the fact. What's that now? Oh yeah, we got our extension cord here. We'll get to that in a minute. That's, I think that's 15 foot, 25 foot extension cord.
Dad was saying the last for the best.
It was the last for the best. And then we had this here. All that, what was it down here? And then this is a Swiss Tech.
That one's bright.
Yeah, this one's bright. It's a Swiss Tech. It's solar generated. It's a battery pack. You can charge your phone on top of it. It has that wireless charger on it.
Can you show
I
that?
don't have the mag on my phone, do I? You're holding my phone, never mind. And then it has two USB-A ports, a USB-C port, USB-C port, and then the Apple micro USB port. And then when you turn it on, it tells you, I'll show you turn it on too, but it shows you the percentage. Now I've had this since 2 years. It's been sitting, we've used it off and on for the last 2 years for back room. We don't have lights or whatever.
We got one when we started camping.
I haven't charged it in 2 years, and I use it off and on. So
What?
yeah, it's been 2 years and we haven't had to charge it. Now that protects it from the weather. And then out here it has the light. You gotta hold it in, sometimes it's a pain. There's your one light. Then there's double click for 2 lights. And then there's 3 lights, and it's pretty bright. You know what I mean? It'll light up a room real good. And then you just hold it in to shut it off. Then again, you can be charged by solar, or you can charge it over here with any one of those ports. You can charge it. If you have a generator or a plug, you can do USB-A. Any one of those ports can charge it. Excuse me, or you can use them separate. So I can plug in, if I have a USB-A cord that is in my generator, plug it in my generator with the brick. It'll charge it, USB-C, or I can take the brick off, plug it into my phone, and plug it into here, and it'll charge my phone. But that's how you charge that. I think we paid, what, $45 or $50 for that, like 3 years ago?
At Walmart.
Yeah, it was a good box.
Next up, we have the shovel.
All right, you tell them.
And then this is my favorite part, like shovel snow and then get money.
You like to shovel snow and get money?
Yeah.
I think we need a new shovel there.
I think we need a new shovel.
Huh. See, these are things you don't find out until you know.
Until Walmart's all sold out of them.
All right. Slide it over, everybody. Let's see this big one. Turn it. Turn it.
Pick it up?
No, you can't pick it up. You'll hurt yourself. This here's.
I need help.
This
Ow.
here, oh, sorry, I got everybody. Made Jackson fall.
I
Then
can tell them
to,
something.
what? Tell them something.
And also, today is Trishy's birthday.
Yes, everybody. Today is Trishy's birthday. How old are you? 67, Trish?
No.
No. Today's Trishy's birthday. Leave a comment down in the comments. Say happy birthday to Trish. This here is our. Hold on. Slow down. One thing at a time.
Okay.
This here is our gas. It's dual fuel gas and propane. Propane. Here's your propane connectors. And it comes with. Hold on. one thing
Oh,
at a time.
that thing is heavy.
Comes with a toolkit for fixing it and taking the parts off the spark plug puller. I won't pull all that out. Your oil.
Can I show them my phone right
No, you can't pick up your oil for draining and filling the oil. And then it also comes with the oil you need for the first start. You have to buy more, but what you should do is after 50 hours change this oil. And then here is the beast. Here, Jack, when I picked this up, good. You can't pick it up, good. Look at them big muscles of his. Oh,
Oh, that thing is heavy.
Sorry, guys.
you caught it.
On the bottom.
Oh, hey guys. Wait till you point that now.
Show him his muscle. Uh-oh, look how big scary guy. Here's where you fill it up with the gasoline. Get it open. And it has a filter in it, so you don't get no gunk in there.
Ew, that's more nasty.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to. It's with gas. It has oh, I forget what it was now. With the gas, it was 4,000 watts starting at peak, 3,200 watts running. With the propane, it's 3,600 watts peak and 2,800 watts running. Easy access to your spark plug.
That has a big screen.
That's down in there. Your oil and all that stuff down there. We don't got to really do a whole big review. What?
Can I take the tape off?
No, move.
Okay.
Watch your toes. Here's your screen for your exhaust.
What is this thing?
That's where you pull it to start it.
Can I try?
No. Are we starting it right now?
No, but I want to try.
No, that's how things get
Is
broken.
there any gas in it?
No. And then here, I'll leave this for you, Trisha. Here it has a screen.
Tape.
That's where you can put your propane at. And then it has eco mode, run, start, choke. And then here's your parallel connectors. And then you have a USB-C and a USB-A. And then you have two 120s, ACs. And this is a 30 amp. And here's your ground down here. You have a ground down here.
What is this button?
But it'd be more than, if the power goes out, this will run everything we need. I also have, it also has a handle on it where you can
Oh, that's cool.
drag it around. Telescoping handle is what they call that, I guess.
Yeah, I question, what is this button?
What is what button, buddy?
This like gray one.
That gray one, that's the breaker. That's not really, you turns the breaker on and off. So then if the power surges too much, it won't kill this, it'll just blow out. It'll shut the breaker off.
It's gonna show satisfying when we take this off.
Go ahead, take it off. There, you feel better?
And the other one?
Go ahead. Is that satisfying for you?
Yeah,
All right, well, there's one more.
it's free.
There's one more right there, yeah.
Oh, satisfied.
Yeah, see on the screen it tells you when it needs oil, low oil. Move your fingers. Overload, the output, how much output you're putting out.
Can I press it?
No, there's nothing there, buddy. Yeah, that's when that's
Yes.
a screw.
Oh. That's a screw.
Yeah, that's just a screw. Well, yeah, I think that's just a reset. That's a reset. That's a reset it. Reset the timer, you know, all the hours on it and whatnot. But it gives you all the display you need.
You forgot one more
I think we paid. Hold on, I'm not over there yet. I think we paid what, $400 for this trip?
Mm-hmm.
Only?
Oh.
I think it looks like it'd be like that.
And then over here is where you access the oil.
It's soft.
Got your oil dipstick and all that. We can get onto all that because it's not really a review. It's just showing you what our preps are. And then, as you seen earlier, what's that? I showed that, buddy. As you seen earlier, all the food we bought, and these are all the things we've already had here. So, in case we get snowed in or the power goes out, we'll be good. Oh, we got ice melt over there too. Don't forget about the ice melt.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we always have ice. We always have salt. Just melt the ice. So we hope everybody is safe and survives through this healthy and happily. You know what I mean? You'll be all right. Give me 1 second. But all right, guys, we're gonna head out again. This is The Country Called Us. That was Jackson and Trish was behind the camera, and I'm Jeff.
I was in the camera too.
Trish is behind the camera.
But okay, yeah.
You want her behind the camera. Behind the camera means holding it.
You said I was
But again, today is Trishy's 49th.
6th.
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 Oh, 6th. Oh, I thought you were older than that.
7.
Today's Trishy's 46th birthday, guys. Drop a happy birthday down in the comments for us. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a good day. Good night. Good afternoon, wherever you're at. Talk to you later.